So we get that off, and then the door just falls off. So. Alright, here we are. Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Greetings, folks. Welcome to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today we are dealing with this rocker recliner chair. Picked it up used on Kijiji fairly recently. I got a great deal on it because it has this issue where it has kind of a little bit of a hitch or a clank sound when you're unreclining, which we will demonstrate here in a second. But very standard. A lot of these are all made the same, and then different whatever, whether it's leather or fake leather or whatever put on it. But we're going to see if we can fix up this clank issue today. Okay, because it is very difficult to test this and record it at the same time, we have hired some special assistants today. We have chair model Stephanie. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And she has 6-week-old Hudson here. So I'll let you guys take your places in the chair, and we'll see if we can demonstrate what's happening for the folks at home. So this happens to us when you are reclined fully, and then as you come forward. So did you hear that little click? And I'll let you just do it a few more times if you would. So it's catching, and sometimes it really makes a nasty clanging sound. See, obviously, like that was a pretty good one there where you probably get it. I find when I sit in it, maybe because I'm a little bit bigger, it's quite a loud sound. So not great for feeding a baby. So we're going to go underneath and see if we can figure out what's going on here. Okay, so we're under the chair here, and there's this little flap. And let's just get that out of the way so we can see a little bit better. And from having looked at a few of these chairs in the last couple months, a lot of them have this same base. There's, I think, only a few companies that make the bases for them, and then different companies put different fabrics on and build it up from there. So you'll probably see that something is very similar under your chair if you're having a problem with this. And what I will ask the lovely Stephanie to do is to recline where she is now. So as you see, when she reclines, everything kind of moves up. And then what we've discovered is watch this bar as it comes down, this bar right here. And then watch these two screws, especially the far one, as she comes down. Okay, go for it. There it is. Let's do it one more time. Watch that back screw as the thing comes down. So that's what's happening, is that bar is hitting it. So let's go on to the other side and show what it should look like, at least from as far as I can tell. Here on this side, go ahead down. When the bar comes down, it has enough clearance to get by. If I take it's really hard to see, but with that screwdriver, the very end of that screwdriver is where that screw is underneath there. There is a little bit of light of day right there for that to, that screw doesn't hit the bar on the way down. And over here, it is certainly making contact. So I think maybe when this chair got moved, or who knows what, if we were jumping on it, this bar got bent in a little bit. And when I look at it, it does look like it has a little bit of a bend. So I've got this flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to try and bend that back a little bit. And the other option, if that doesn't work, is going to be just to try and shave that screw down a little bit. So I'm going to try bending this out, and we'll see if that helps. And if not, we will find a way to shave that screw down, and we'll let you know how we do. All right, more to come. Okay, so bending it out with the screwdriver didn't really seem to do a lot. And I'm hesitant to reef too hard on it and have that screw up some of the other bars. So we're just going to try and take that screw off right there. It's the one that's getting caught on. So I got this bendy hacksaw here, and this is obviously going to take a few minutes, but we'll see how it goes and update you in a moment. Okay, so that's off there now. I just went right close to it because it was easier to get it started, and all that extra stuff on the other side, like that screw's not really doing anything. So, let's test our work. Move over this way. I have a little bit of cleanup to do with some of those shards there. But, all right. The wonderful Stephanie could unrecline. Oh, that's just perfect. Again, please. Oh yeah, no worries at all. Super. All right, we're back in business. They got some, a little bit of, the springs have a little bit of noise to them. We're going to hit them with a little bit of grease. And otherwise, we should be in business. This chair will have a little bit more life in it yet. All right, signing out. Catch us next time. And just as a final wrap up, this is the little piece that came off. So just this little guy here. That's the piece of the screw that we, let that focus for a second, that we sawed off. And I probably could have taken less of it off. And also probably could have done that with a reciprocating saw, but trying not to make too much noise in here. Because, anyway, so that was the piece. All right, until next time. And after having tested the fully repaired chair, how do you feel about it, Hudson? How's the new chair?
He just farted.
And there you have it, folks. Signing off. Tune in next time.